Hello students, in our previous class we already learned lesson number 12, how we move around us. Now today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 13, good manners and habit. First we understand what is a manners. Manners means the way we are behave or speak with the other people are called manners. And habit means our usual behavior of a person. How we behave, it's called our habits. Now, before starting the lessons, see a small exercise which is given in our textbook. Put a tick on the activity you do daily and a cross on the other one. So, the things which we are doing daily, we have to tick the right mark, and which we are not doing daily, we have to cross it. First one, I brush my teeth. You are brushing your teeth daily? Yes. So, take the right one. Next, I go to school. Nowadays, because of the lockdowns, we are not going in the schools. We are study by online. So, here, cross it. I eat junk food. We are daily eating junk food? No. So, cross it. I make fun of other. It is wrong. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Good manners. The way we behave and speak with the other people are called manners. So at the beginning, they are telling about the good manners. What is the means of good manners? The way we are behaving, how we behave to others and how we speak with the others are called manners. I learn good manner at home and in school. So where we are learning a good manner? At our home and in our school. See the next point. First, our good manner is I always wish my elders and teachers. So whenever we meet our elders or teachers, we have to wish them. Next, I say you are welcome when someone say thank you to me. So what is our next good manners? We have to say welcome when anyone tell us thank you. We have to give them warm reply. Next, I say please when I want something. So whenever we need something, that time we have to say please. We have to use a please at the beginning of the sentence. Next, I say thank you when I get something. So when we get something, we have to say thank you. That is a good manners. We have to give a good reply. See the next point. I say sorry when I hurt someone in some way. So when we hurt someone, we have to say sorry. We have to apologize for it. So I hope you understand the good manners. Should we revise it? What is the good manners? We have to always wish elders and the teachers. We have to give a reply welcome when someone say thank you. When we want something, we have to say please. If we get something, that time we have to say thank you. And if we hurt someone, we have to say sorry. Now see your textbook. Draw your face and write I am a well-mannered boy or girl. So here you have to draw your face picture. And you have to write here that if you are a boy, then you have to write I am well-mannered boy. And if you are a girl, then you have to write I am a well-mannered girl. Now see the next question, which is given a textbook, a small activity. Take the right, the good manner, and cross the bad manner. So if it is a good manner, then we have to take the right mark. And if it is a bad manner, we have to do cross. First, pushing at others. It is good manner or bad manners? Bad. So cross it. Next, shouting in a classroom. It is good or bad? Bad. So cross it. Plucking flowers. It is also a bad manner. So cross it. Standing in a line. It is good manner. So take the right mark. Say sorry when you do wrong. It is also a good manner. So take the right. Now see the next point. Learning good manners. Now our next point is healthy habits. Habit is the usual behavior of a person. You should include a certain habit in your life to be healthy. Some of them are. So what is the means of habit? Habit means usual behavior of a person, how we behave. Our behavior is called our habit. For our healthy life, we have to follow some good habit. See, which is the good habit? Keep yourself clean. Wear clean clothes. So we have to keep ourselves clean. We have to wear clean clothes. Next, take bath every day. Taking bath every day is also a good habit. Brush your teeth twice a day. So in a day we have to how many times doing brushing? Twice, 2 times. So our teeth become clean. Next, chew your food properly. So whatever food we are eating, we have to chew it perfectly. So it will be easy to digest. Next, go to bed early at night. So at night we have to sleep early. So at the morning we will wake up early. Get up early in the morning. So at the morning we have to get up early. So these are called healthy habits. Should we revise it? First one is keep yourself clean and wear clean clothes. Next, take bath every day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Chew your food properly. Go to bed early at night and get up early in the morning. So if you are following these habits daily in your life, then you become healthy. So I hope you all understand the healthy habits, and I am sure all of you are following these healthy habits in your daily life. Now see our next point. The healthy habit, there is given a small exercise. Tick the right if it is a healthy habit and cross if it is a bad habit. So if it is healthy habit, then we have to tick the right, and if it is a bad habit, then we have to cross it. First, wear clean clothes. It is a good habit or a healthy habits or bad habit? Healthy habit. So tick the right. Next, brushing teeth twicely. Good habit. So tick the right. Eating without chewing properly. It is a bad habit. We have to chew the food properly. So cross it. Getting up late in the morning. It is also a bad habit. We have to get up early in the morning. Now see our next point. Other good habit. I am kind to animal. I never hurt. So we have to always be kind to the animals. We don't have to hurt any of them. There is given a picture of boy and dog is with him. So he is caring for him. So it's called a good habit. Next, a girl is throwing garbage in the dustbin. So it is a good habit. She is a responsible person. I take good care of my things. I do not waste paper. I throw garbage in the dustbin. So what is our next good habit? We have to take care of our all things. Don't waste the paper, and if any garbage is there, we have to throw in a dustbin. It is a good manner. We have to keep our surrounding clean and neat. Now see the next point. I always keep my school clean. I reach school on time. I always walk in a line to my class. It shows a good manner in our school. So we have to always keep our school clean. We have to reach school on a time and always walk in a line to our class. It shows our good manners. Next is a boy sitting with the books and maybe he is reading. So what is our next good manners? I study regularly. I listen to the teacher carefully during class. So it is also a good habit. as a students, we have to study regularly. We have to daily revise the things whatever we learn, and we have to always listen our teachers. Okay, so you will get a success in your life. Now there is given a small exercise. Replace the underlined word with the correct word in the following sentence. So there is given a sentence. In sentence there is underlined a word. That word is wrong. We have to write the correct word. See the first one. I am rude to animals. Which word is underlined? Rude. So what word we have to use here? Kind. So write here the spelling of kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. I am kind to animals. Next, I throw garbage in the open. Which word is underlined? Open. So we have to replace this word. In the place of open, what we have to write? I throw garbage in the dustbin. So write here the spelling of dustbin. I have bad study habits. So which word is underlined? Bad. So what we have to write? Good. I have good study habits. So students, I hope you understand the lesson. For understanding it more properly, let's see a small video. Students, let's revise it whatever we learn. Lesson number 13, good manners and habits. We have to always show good manners to the others. First point is good manners. Good manners means the way we behave and speak with the others is called manners. We learn good manners in our school and at our home. Greet each other. Whenever we meet each other, we have to wish them. Use the magic words. We have to always use the magic words. If we hurt someone, we have to say, I am sorry. If you want something, then you have to say, please. If you get something, then you have to tell thank you. If someone say thank you, then you have to say reply you're welcome. If you need something, then you have to say excuse me. Or if you know anything, then you have to tell may I. Okay. So I hope you understand the good manners. See our next point. We have to always respect to our elders. It is also a good manners. Then next point is healthy habits. In our day, habits means the way persons behave. Our usual behavior of the persons. In our daily life, we have to follow some healthy habits, like we have to go to bed early at night. We have to always we have to take a bath. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. We have to eat a proper food and we have to chew it perfectly. We have to wear clean dresses, clean clothes. Always we have to keep ourselves clean. So these are the healthy habits. If we follow these healthy habits, then we become healthy. Next point is other good habits. We have to always be kind and helpful to the others. We have to show a kindness to animals. We don't have to hurt them. Next is we have to show responsibility to the world. We have to always take care of our things. Don't waste the paper. We have to throw the garbage in the dustbin. We have to keep our city clean. It is also a good habits. Next is good manner in a school. We have to always show our good manners in the schools. We have to reach a school at a time. Always walk in a line in class. We have to keep our school clean. Next, we have to show good study habits. We have to study regularly. We have to listen the teachers carefully during the class. So we will get a success and we will do our study better. So students, I hope you understand the lessons. Thank you.